This week we are talking about rhyming. So I have a new read aloud that has some rhymes in it, and then after we can talk about the rhymes that you heard. Remember that a rhyming word is a word that sounds the same at the end. So, like stop and hop, they both have a p sound at the end. Um, Stop and bug do not rhyme because they don't sound the same. So we are going to look at this book and see if we can find some of the words that rhyme in it. So the book that we're reading today is called Snail Brings the Mail. And on the front page, you can see two words that are rhyming: snail and mail. And if sometimes it helps, it doesn't always help because sometimes the sounds are different, but sometimes it helps if you find letters that are the same at the end. So this one has an A-I-L and this one has an A-I-L. And so that means that they sound the same. They don't always have the same letters at the end, but sometimes that can help you find the rhyming words. So let's read this book. Hooray for Snail, he brings the mail. Day in, day out, he will not fail. Are snails fast? Do you think that he does a good job sending the mail? Like he's gonna bring it to his friend. I don't know if he's very fast. A box for fox. And 3 for bee. Oh wow, says Owl. 10 cards for me. You missed the party in my tree. So I see. Oh, he looks a little sad. I think he missed his friend's party, so it makes him kind of sad. His friends may have to wait all day. Poor Snail, he does his best, they say. Sometimes it takes him a long time to get there because snails are kind of slow, right? So he's bringing all the mail to his friends. One morning, things go wrong for Snail. He wakes up late. He drops the mail. It starts to rain. It starts to hail. Snail won't give up. I must not fail. He's trying really hard. The cold wind blows. It's quite a gale. The sky turns dark and Snail turns pale. That means he's really scared. Pale means he got really white because he looks kind of scared. The road is flooded. Bad luck, Snail. He can't get through. Snail wails, I've failed. Oh no, he's not going to be able to do the mail because he can't climb on the water. But look, a tractor up for sale. The mouse says, this one is for sale. Maybe he can use the tractor to get across the water. The deal is done. Now watch Snail go. He won't get stuck in rain or snow. He can use the tractor to get across. These days, the mail is right on time. Do you think the snail is slow now with his tractor, or do you think he is doing a better job because he's using the tractor? I think he might be going a little faster because the tractor is much faster than a snail. And Snail gets through come rain or shine. Look at all those different weather. I see some snow. I see, oh, there's spring and then the summer. And then all the leaves are changing in fall. And then in the winter, he can do it too. Oops. The end. There's Snail with his tractor. and he's singing. See those notes right there are music. So he's singing because he's super happy. He was able to do his job. So we're going to go back and look and see if we can find some rhyming words in this book. Some of them are a little tricky, especially toward the end. All right, let's look at this one. This is pretty easy. So if you look at this page, at these words at the top, I see some letters that match. Let's see. There's B-O-X and F-O-X. Box and fox. Those two words rhyme because they sound the same. They both have ox at the end. And then at the bottom, you can see 3, the number 3, the word, and B. Those both have 2 E's at the end. So they sound like E. 3 and B, those rhyme. But what about box and B? Box has a B at the front, and B has a B at the front, but those don't rhyme because they have the last letter, the last sound doesn't sound the same. Box and B, those don't sound the same. So those do not rhyme. What about let's do this one. This one's a little bit harder because there's 3 different rhyming words. So there's May, M-A-Y, day, D-A-Y, and then on the next page it says say, S-A-Y. So all of those rhyme. They have an A-Y at the end. May, day, and say. All of those rhyme. They have an A at the end. The sound, the A sound. Let's do one more, and then I want you guys to tell me if you guys can find any that rhyme. Let's do these two. These 2 rhyming words are on different pages. So I'll read the sentence and I'll see if you guys can figure out which one rhymes. It says, it starts to hail, I must not fail. It starts to hail, I must not fail. I wonder which words rhyme in that. Let's look at the words. There is one that says hail, H-A-I-L, and fail, F-A-I-L. I think those two words rhyme. Hail and fail. Those 2 words are the same. They're the same, they're the same at the end. So that's how we can figure out rhyming words. Some words, let me try to find one that doesn't have the same letters. I think there's some in here. So these 2 rhyme, but they don't have the same letters. So it says, now watch Snail go. Go, and it says rain or snow. So go and snow sound the same. They both sound like O at the end, but this has O-W, and this just has an O, but they still rhyme because they still sound the same. It sounds like O, go, and snow. So sometimes rhyming words don't look the same, but they do sound the same. So you guys can go back through the book or find a book at home and try and see if you can find some words that rhyme. Another fun thing that you guys can do is you can play a game around your house where your mom or dad can pick a word and then have you try and find something that rhymes with it. So for example, in my house, I may try to find a rhyming word that rhymes with cat because I have 2 cats at home. So if we're thinking about it, cat has an at the end, right? So what word could rhyme with cat? What about a hat? A hat has an at sound at the end too. And sometimes you can make up rhyming words. So if you just change the first sound, you can make up a word. So if I'm looking for a word that rhymes with cat, I can change the first one. The first one is cat, starts with a C, right? So if I change the k sound, I can make a rhyming word. So what about if I changed it to rat? Rat also rhymes because it has at the end. So you can make up silly words as well. You can, maybe we can make up a word with a Z. If I put a Z instead, it would be a zat. Is that a real word? Not really, right? But it does rhyme. So you can make up silly rhyming words as well. So let me know if you find any rhyming words in the book or in other books, or if you can come up with some silly ones that you can find at home. And that's our activity for today. I will see you guys next time, and I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. I'll see you later. Bye.